ممنونم دست خوش. Same thing on here. I cleaned everything and I dried with the brake cleaner. Make sure there is no oil, so have to be clean. And this is the old head gasket, and this is the water pump. Look how dirty. This is the tensioner. This is cover, oil pump. They haven't got any seal or anything, just flat surface sitting and done. So there is no seals, no rubbers, no anything. So but you have to put like this and then put back. That's all. And here, okay. That's why I put back the oil sump and the belt, because I don't need it. That's it. You put back oil pump belt, oil pump, this kind of stuff what you took it off. Put back oil sump, everything. And then you can work on a head gasket, or put back the head gasket, put back the later then belt, timing belt, because you don't need here. Can be done before or after, no problem. I put into my pocket and it's got a hole, comes out. Okay, I will clean again one more time. Tissue and brake cleaner. Also I will clean the new one as well, make sure there is nothing there. Okay, everything clean. Put back all the screws, everything. I didn't need even change this one. It was fine because somebody used not a good glue, because it comes sometime with the glue, but don't use that one. It's not good quality. And somebody changed the belt as well before. I use always this one is the best. And I'm not gonna put glue into here. I'm gonna put in here. If I put it there, because the size is too big, and when I put, maybe it's not a good place, so I better put here, and that's it. Because you see how tiny here and how big here, so maybe I put here and the seating in wrong position. I hope you understand what I mean. better you put in here. But it's difficult on the car. When the engine is inside the car, then it's fine, you can use there. But as you know, in here it's a fat surface, so you have to make sure you put in the middle. That's why I always people to put too much, because they don't know where to put. If you put here, it's better. I mean, if of course, if the oil is not dripping, because on the car the oil dripping is not easy. All the screws the same. It's number 8. When I opened, one of them was missing. Somebody didn't put back this one, I think. So I'm gonna put back all. You have to put all of the screws and then you tied. You cannot put 2 screw, 3 screw and tied it. So you have to put all, otherwise it's not gonna be a level. Like maybe you put 2, 3 screw, you tidying, and another one doesn't, because the hole will be not straight. So that's why you have to put all of them like this and then tied it up. After I tied all, not tied, like fully, what we call it, fully tied, but it's not torqued yet. So then, and make sure do not tie it with this what they call drill or whatever. You have to put the screw all the way up, all of them, and then you can do with the hand, one by one. Okay. That's how I do. It doesn't matter how you do, but this is, I prefer like this. Is not leaking. But if you're trying to put with a drill, like you don't know what you're doing. Maybe one of them too much tight, one of them less. So you better torque it down. And it's done. And you see how nice it comes out. The silicone glue, whatever. Small. Not too much. If you put too much into the oil sump, you would see all around. So now it's nice quality. Well, let me see if this been torqued. Yep. Okay, so my job is done from here. I'm gonna put this into the bin. This is okay. This is done. This is done. I cleaned as much as I could with this one, and now I have to clean all the surface, and then here I need to take this exhaust manifold out, clean it, put new gasket, put back all the valve seals. I need to clean all the valves, everything. Where is the injector sitting? Actually 2 injector, it didn't came out. I have to weld it. I tried, like I am sure that injectors, 2 of them, if I had open on a car, definitely I couldn't take it out. So good actually I opened the head, otherwise somebody else could have big problem to open this injector. I need to clean all around. I clean this glow plug. I'm going to check if it's working or not. Yeah, one more thing you have to know. You see this one? Yeah. It's loose now. Why? because when I was turning the engine, this came back. See, it can move. So what is this for? It's like a tensioner. So you make sure before you take the belt out, make sure you put some normal pin like this there, otherwise it comes out. So you cannot forget this otherwise will be big noise. Because this has been tied, there is a screw. This has got screw as well. This is the pump, and this is just between them. There is just like to connect it. And or before you put that screw, just put some big washer or something, you know, to not let this comes back, yeah, to move freely like this. Okay, or put some pin here, and then look, this one now, because I pushed it all the way back, and this tensioner, it's already tied, if you know what I mean. So there is one tensioner here and there is one tensioner here, to make sure the pulley don't have any gap, to be always in a pressure. Okay, if you don't want to use this, as I said, just put something here to push it back, because if it came out, you just gonna tie it this way, yeah, and then you could see the hole, it will comes to here, and then you can put something, and you don't push too much, otherwise it goes to other side, you see, and then you cannot turn the engine. So just be careful. Easiest way, put big washer here, and then I'm gonna put back this one. Well, I didn't clean the camshaft yet. I didn't wash it. And we got new gasket. I need to take this screw out and clean this surface. Stupid design. It's getting blocked, everything inside. This camshaft. Fine. This side got vacuum pump for the brake, but they looks fine. I need to clean the surface. Main problem, and clean all around as well. Okay, I'm gonna put back the gasket. As I said, you wanna use glue, you don't want, it's up to you, but you don't need to, because it's not like a BMW engine. It's a straight, it doesn't leak normally. Okay, I lock the camshaft, both of them. It doesn't matter even if you turn or anything, it comes back exactly same position. Well, this take time to come out. I'm gonna use Make sure all the valve, all the rocker arm, that's straight. Otherwise you don't see anything. You missed up something, it's gonna be a big problem. Screws, most of them same. Okay, apart from the long one here, because it goes to this side, and others put it back. All of them same. After you put back every one of them, like all of them, then you tighten it. Okay. After torque everything, then timing is easy peasy, is not too hard. You see this one? Oh. I just pushed it too much. So Ford Transit 2-liter diesel, timing is easy peasy. There is 2 holes from the camshaft and from the head. Need 2 pin, wherever you have, you can stick it in. And here we got one, anything socket, anything you have, I mean tools. It goes to the back of the head. You see that hole, if you don't see it in a car, that hole, it goes to exactly this direction when this 2 pin is matching each other. Yeah, I don't know, my phone is probably not very good anymore, but yeah, when this 2 mark is hugging each other, need to be exactly like this. And then if you have something like this or anything smaller, better to be exactly like fitted properly, not loose. So then you can push it all the way to the cylinder head. In this way your crankshaft is locked. And always, before you taking it off, turn the engine, put this mark together, and this hole supposed to be in here. Put something inside to goes to the inside the cylinder head, and then your crankshaft will be locked. So this is locked and this too is locked and done. So now I can put the belt. That's all. Not hard, easy peasy. And if you already took this off, yeah, always cylinder number 1, it's up. This 2, it doesn't go wrong. This one, yeah, if I turn the engine, the crankshaft, it will go other side. But when these 2 mark hugging each other, exactly same, yeah, and then this hole, you can put one metal inside, so to go to cylinder head. I hope you understand. And that's it. In this way, you know this everything perfect. After, when you put back the belt, you don't need to turn the engine 14 times, whatever. It doesn't need anything. I have a tensioner, I have screw, I put something on it to get tied properly. You see this little metal here, it goes to here. So what I mean, see this dot, it goes to there, and then you tie the screw. See? Because this can go wrong as well. Like you can put down like this, yeah. You can put this way, make sure it's there, doesn't move, and then you tie it. Tidy. Because I see many other people, they locking this one, but they don't lock this one. They just marking it and put the belt. The crank can't move, So you better put one metal all the way to the cylinder. In this way, look, crankshaft is locked, doesn't go anywhere. Understand? And this you tie it fully. It's not like a time in other cars. You have to take this one out and then tie it. No, you tied this one fully. This has nothing to do with this. You tied it fully, you put back the belt and take it out. Okay, now I tied it. I'm gonna put the belt. I bought Continental. Doesn't matter which one you use, it's up to you. Okay. There is no mark which side you put, it doesn't matter. Easy peasy. Because you locked it, all of them, so the timing doesn't go nowhere. Okay. You see, I didn't let the tensioner go, but always the camshafts have little bit gap to make sure that gap will disappear and doesn't affect the timing. So now I need to take this pin out, and that's all. See? So and then you take this one out. You take this one out, but make sure, as I said, make sure before you open this, you put some washer into here, so this cannot move, because sometimes this little thingy will come out. So I need to be careful. So now, all done. And before I put back, I'm gonna put some oil. Especially here, just a little bit. I clean million times. Doesn't matter, you put glue here or here, it's up to you. Those screws is number 8, all of them same. Before you put back, make sure this 2 thing is there, okay? If this is not there, you're gonna have leaking problem with the crankshaft seal. Not from here, you will have no problem with here, but for the when you put back the pulley later, maybe after 1 hour, start leaking. So make sure this 2, it's there, and then you can put back. See this 2? If this 2 is not there, this can be a big problem for this. That's the only screws, number 8, and the rest is holding with the engine bracket. And before was leaking, as you see here, pulley was leaking, and make sure here clean it properly before you put back. Tension as well was leaking, like could see the oil all around. I put some grease here. There is 2 belts, one for here, for other one. You cannot put the small one. You have to put first this one, big one, and then after other one. And this is the wire for only thing left to put back DPF. To put back engine, it's very hard. I don't think even possible to put back the DPF. It's possible, but it's gonna be very hard. So now I'm going to delete the DPF as well. I will make sure put back this cover exactly. I need only this parts.